Welcome back MH Car Review the channel, and today we're looking at something that completely redefines luxury on wheels. What you see in front of you is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling statement of power, design, and futuristic imagination. This Bugatti-inspired ultra-luxury motorhome concept looks like it escaped straight from the year 2050 and decided that normal RVs simply weren't good enough. At first glance, the front design immediately grabs attention. The face feels more like a hypercar than a motorhome. The aggressive aerodynamic nose, massive sculpted intakes, and razor-sharp LED lighting give it a bold, dominant presence. The glossy red carbon fiber body paired with golden accents creates an exotic, high-end look that screams exclusivity. This is the kind of vehicle that doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Moving along the side profile, the proportions are absolutely insane. This is a double-deck luxury motorhome with an ultra-wide stance and multiple axles, giving it the visual muscle of a futuristic hypertruck. The panoramic glass windows stretch across both levels, creating a floating, jet-like appearance. The smooth aerodynamic curves reduce drag while enhancing the vehicle's dramatic silhouette. Every line feels intentional, every angle designed to look fast even when standing still. Now let's talk about those wheels, because they deserve special attention. The massive golden alloy rims contrast perfectly against the red body, adding a level of luxury you normally only see on high-end concept cars. With multiple rear axles and a performance-focused suspension layout, this vehicle looks built not just for comfort, but for stability and power. It feels like Bugatti's racing DNA has been injected directly into an ultra-luxury motorhome platform. As we move toward the rear, the design remains just as bold. The sculpted back end features futuristic LED taillights, aerodynamic fins, and a clean, aggressive diffuser-style lower section. Unlike traditional RVs that look bulky and flat from behind, this design feels sleek, modern, and performance-oriented. It's proof that luxury and aerodynamics can exist together, even in a vehicle of this size. Now imagine stepping inside, because this is where the real magic happens. The interior is designed like a private luxury jet combined with a high-end penthouse. Premium leather seating, carbon fiber trims, and gold accents surround you in pure sophistication. Ambient LED lighting runs throughout the cabin, creating a calm, futuristic atmosphere whether you're driving during the day or cruising at night. The cockpit area feels more like a hypercar command center than a motorhome dashboard. Fully digital displays, advanced driving controls, and a minimalist layout put everything within easy reach of the driver. Large panoramic windows provide an incredible view of the road ahead, making long journeys feel immersive instead of exhausting. Behind the cockpit, the living space opens up into a luxury lounge. Plush seating, smart layout design, and high-end materials make it feel like a five-star hotel on wheels. Whether it's entertaining guests, relaxing during a long trip, or enjoying a scenic stop, this motorhome delivers comfort at the highest level. Upstairs, the second deck adds an entirely new dimension. This area can function as a private bedroom, executive lounge, or even a mobile office. The elevated glass design provides breathtaking views while maintaining privacy and elegance. It's designed for those who don't just travel, they travel in style. Performance is another area where this concept truly stands out. While exact specifications aren't confirmed, a motorhome of this level would likely feature a high-performance hybrid or electric powertrain, delivering massive torque with smooth, silent acceleration. Advanced suspension systems would ensure a comfortable ride, even on long highway journeys, while intelligent driving assistance features would make handling a vehicle of this size surprisingly easy. This isn't built for camping trips, it's built for elite lifestyles. Celebrities, business leaders, luxury travelers, and motorsport icons are the kind of people who would appreciate a vehicle like this. It's not about getting from point A to point B. It's about turning every mile into an experience. When it comes to price, something like this wouldn't even have a traditional price tag. If produced, it would easily cost several $1,000,000, placing it in the same league as Bugatti hypercars and custom luxury yachts. This is exclusivity at its highest level. In the end, this futuristic Bugatti-inspired motorhome concept shows us what happens when imagination meets extreme luxury. It challenges everything we think we know about RVs and proves that even the biggest vehicles can be bold, fast-looking, and beautiful. If this is the future of luxury travel, then the road ahead looks absolutely incredible. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most insane luxury vehicle concepts ever imagined, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments, would you drive this, or is it too wild for the road?